For me, I come from north, but I decided Igbo to rule this country.
Why?
Because Igbo, he will allow business to roll well. Because this life, nobody come to stay alive. Everybody will die one day. But Igbo man go allow me to do business. Foreign rice go come. How much do they buy rice now? 30,000 naira rice. But that time good luck come up for power. How much do they buy rice? 9,000, 7,000 plus. Before they buy rice, they sell for my man. Now I no be buy am. Even for house, I know they eat rice. Now 2 shinkafa, now they eat. So my brother, I'm gonna tell you something. It's better Igbo to rule this country. This Tinubu where they talk now. If you come now, okay, you know this Lasma, you go come go be federal Lasman. You go be federal general Lasman. And by that time we go here for this country. This country be so now they don't sell half. By the Tinubu enter or Atiku enter, they go sell everything.
Sincerely, is I've forgotten him. I think it's Kingsley Moghalu. Yeah, he sounds like a really dedicated person. So he's one of the people I'm looking to us to. Because I voted for him the last election. So hopefully.
Why are you voting for him? Why?
He's sounded like somebody who understands what every individual in the country is going through. Not someone that will come and give you empty promises. He sounds like an educated person and someone who is intelligent, because we need not just a figure to become our president. We need an intelligent person, a smart person, a focused person to become a president, and Kingsley Moghalu is such a person.
If you want to talk about 2023 candidates, Tinubu, Atiku, Oga, 2023, they our hand. Both all of us say the draft correct here, it's there our hand. Everybody go collect a PVC, come and vote. But you say well done at Tinubu, Buhari, Atiku, all these people they say they're already 70 now, they don't say now 55. Me now, as you see me like this, I be small boy, but I don't get 40. But now, Tinubu say him be 60, I be 70 something. Make you come for president. What do you want to do?
I support Showere.
Showere come out.
If Showere come out, I support him. But if they will allow vice president to be a president of this country, Osigbanjo, I'll be very happy, because he's a man of discipline and man of sensible and education intelligence. So for me, I go with Vice President Osigbanjo. If possibly, he will come out as the president of this country.
The candidate may be worse than this present administration. I don't know anybody like they can put there, because it's not by voting, it's by selection. They're selecting it, everything.
Once somebody is ready to work, we should give the person a chance. It's not about tribe or religion. I think it's just about getting the right person for the job to do it. Because it's more like you are saying you want to give a Christian to do the job whereby he's not serious. He can't deliver. We need somebody who will deliver, because right now the country is really backward. You can imagine how much dollar is at the black market. It's really high. So we need something that will help our country be on the right map. We need somebody who could just come in and do a miracle for us right now. It's more than just religion or somewhere from the north or south. No, we need the person who's really dedicated, be from any zone, doesn't matter, but someone who is really up for the job. That's what we need right now, man.